Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore internal training using Kajabi, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore internal training using Kajabi, first, log into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the Products tab in the main dashboard. From the options available, select Training Programs. Locate the training program you wish to restore from the list. Click on the program title to access its settings. Once inside the program settings, find the Actions drop-down menu. Click on the Actions drop-down to reveal additional options. Look for the Restore option and select it. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Review the prompt and ensure you want to proceed with the restoration. Click Confirm to initiate the restoration process. Wait for the system to complete the restoration, which may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Return to the Products tab to verify the training program is restored. Open the training program to check if all content is intact. Now that your internal training is restored, you can make any necessary updates. Ensure to check any associated emails or automations linked to the training. You can now share your restored content with your team or audience. With these steps, you successfully restored your internal training using Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.